Mega Lecture offers online classes for junior students. At Mega Lecture, we believe in providing high-quality education to students of all ages, and we are excited to announce our online classes specially designed for juniors. We understand the importance of a strong educational foundation, and our courses are tailored to meet the needs of young learners in an engaging and interactive manner. Our online classes cover a wide range of subjects, ensuring that juniors have access to a well-rounded education. We offer courses in science, English, computer science and coding, and German. Whether your child is interested in exploring the wonders of the natural world, improving their language skills, diving into the exciting world of programming, or learning a foreign language, we have the perfect courses for them. With Mega Lecture's online classes, juniors can enjoy the benefits of a virtual classroom from the comfort of their own homes. Our experienced and dedicated instructors utilize modern teaching methods to create a dynamic learning environment. Students will have the opportunity to interact with their peers and participate in discussions, ensuring an engaging and collaborative learning experience. We understand the importance of affordability, especially during these challenging times. That's why we are offering a special promotion for early registrants. Sign up now and get a 10% discount on all our online classes for juniors. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to give your child a head start in their educational journey. Visit our website megalecture.com for more details. Don't miss to subscribe our YouTube channel.